if it gave us a nice clear breakout like this, then instead of using the asymptote principle, what we can do is we can straight away roll up towards 37,600 odd levels. If it had broken above and went to 500, 600 quickly, then we could have moved our position altogether by 400, 500 points upside. That is called as rolling up. But rolling up is always used when there is a fundamental change in the market. So here, obviously, we know that this is some sort of absorption of supply. That is our primary assumption. And if market gives a nice breakout, then this is confirmed. And if this is confirmed, then we know that we are moving much higher. Absorbing the supply is now shifting to supply being completely absorbed and the price discovery phase starting. In such a scenario, rolling up is advised because we are moving from a balance phase to an imbalance phase. There is a phase change, so to speak. But just because a breakout is happening, you cannot move on and roll up your position. I could do it right now, but I should not because of this. Because we have left behind this anomaly and we are not really sure whether the buyers are completely in control, whether the time frames are still higher time frames, and are we going to see much higher prices going forward, or if this is going to move sideways and just expand the range a little bit. That's it, nothing. So the range still stays, it expands a little bit, and the sideways move still continues. So if that is going to happen, then it does not make sense to roll up the position. And I would not advise rolling up your positions too often. It is a big step in options trading. Rolling up is a big step because rolling up, rolling down, because when you're rolling down, you're obviously you're moving away from your original position because the market has moved against you. So it's a big decision. There is some fundamental change happening. Market is proving you extremely right or extremely wrong, and only in that case you should think about doing such a thing. Right now, this breakout, I am not getting much confidence, so I don't think I will even add to the position or roll up the position. So I'll just